Snowflakes falling outside my window pane. Another Christmas wish whispered in the cold.
Everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are doing part 2 of my Temu haul. Just get everything out. And the essence of time, I am not doing a great job. Also need to do this really quickly before my family gets home. So, what have we got? First of all, we've got some lovely little tape. Now, trying to think what these cost. They are still available and it is $3.10 New Zealand dollars. So this lovely roll of tape, they are stickers, but it's not tape, stickers. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to peel them off with these nails, so I won't, but they are snowflakes. Just a few different designs on there. Ooh, I got a horsey colouring book. Not too sure how to get into this one. Oh, I can see the flap is there. It is a lot smaller than I thought it would be, but that means it's like going to be good to transport with, travel with. And I am not finding this quickly. Here we go. Horsey colouring book. And we've got some beautiful pictures in there. Oh, I like that one. That is lovely. Don't know if I'm going to keep that myself or give it away, but that one is still available and it's $6.47. Now I am saying New Zealand dollars, but I will put into the description what the prices are in US dollars. Now this one is like a trading card folder book. No, it's not. It is a diamond painting storage organizer. Now, as I'm starting to do more premium diamond painting, I thought it would be a good idea to have something that I can have to store my leftover drills. Okay. Wow. So these pockets have got the holes, so you can put them into the ringlets. And then we've got a whole heap of baggies, and I think they just fell out there, and I think there is about 80 or 100. Now, they just completely fell out. Temu, it'd be a good idea if you have them in a bag. Oh, so this doesn't happen. Okay, we won't look at that too closely, but maybe when I start using it, I can do a proper. And there we have all the numbers, and the numbers go up to 3852. And then you can make your own if you need double ups. Doesn't look like there's double ups. So what about 310, which is a popular number? No, you only get one. 310. So that's the black. So that's going to be handy, I hope. Now that cost you can still buy it, and that was $6.20 New Zealand dollars. I got another partial sign. Now this is Christmassy. Oh, no, I just sealed that over itself, didn't I? Let's just whip it out. So it's a carousel with 3 horses, and hopefully they've got enough legs and not additional legs. I think we're good. I think we're good. So that is really Christmassy. It's very pretty. And the drills, I won't go into too much with that. But they are nice. What else? I see. I have actually got some clothing, which I will leave to the end and keep. So we've got some diamond paintings. I also got a new pen. Now this actually looks a lot smaller than I thought it would be. My hand would fit around it. The Carousel, I didn't actually tell you how much that one cost, did I? The Carousel with the drills is still available. It is $5.49 New Zealand dollars. It was $13.08 for that, so I think I got it for a good price at the time. Do you think I could open this? In a hurry. I really just want to see how it fits in my hand. It comes in a nice little case. And you've got lots of wax. And all your bits are in a little packet. So, and a pin. I'm guessing that helps you to pull it out. I'm not sure. A roller. Now, they are metal and they are screw-in, and doesn't actually give you the number of dots, but you have to count them. Six placer, and it just screws in. It's actually quite a nice hold. Let's put the straightener on the other end. What I'm trying to do is get more pens, so I've got different multi-places on them, and I can just grab a pen, and whenever I'm at the stage on the painting where I need to use a 6-placer or a 4-placer, or that one is a 3-placer, that one's probably an 8 or a 9-placer, then I've got, you know, a handful of pens I can just grab and go, rather than changing out the heads. I don't really use angle ones. I'm not actually sure. You see that? Yep, it's quite small. Single placer, that's good. Let's see how that works later in another video maybe. And 2 diamond paintings. We've got a little one. Should I tell you the price of the pen? That'd be a good idea, won't it? This at the moment is actually really cheap. I think it normally sells for $10.03. You can get it now for $4.44. And there's not many left. It actually feels really nice. So, a couple of diamond paintings. When do I have time? Always make time. I'm still working on my butterfly, but I did a little bit of that this week, but I am parking it for a little while so I can do more on my FeeLook Art Kitten. Oh, this is tiny. This is a 20 by, this is not going to be great. It's a 20 by 30, and that will be the actual fabric size. It won't be the picture itself. But that, I don't even think I'm going to do that. It is tiny, and this is supposed to be, I might post a picture of what it actually is. It's like a scenery. I don't think I'm going to do this one. It's tiny. I didn't think I ordered this size. It was 3, how much? How much was it? What I'm seeing right now is my credit. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I ordered something so small. A 20 by 30. It was $4.30. And like this is all, hang on, I'll bring in my, so it's all scenery, trees and all of that. And there's only 4 colours. Oh my gosh. What are these colours? Oh my gosh. That is an epic fail. Epic fail. I'm so sorry. I don't know if I can get a credit back on that because you're just not going to get the detail. Let's hope that this one is going to be nicer. It is big. It's bigger. And it comes kitted up. Guess that's a good sign. Oh, and it's square. This will be my first square if I actually do it. Let me just roll it back the other way. Hopefully I can. Yeah, it's poured glue. No, what a disaster. You know, that's going to happen. And this one, I didn't actually think I would kit it up, you know, start it this year because it is Christmas. And they're Christmas trees. Oh my gosh, that looks so much better in the camera than it does for me. This one, I've seen a lot come up in my Temu feed of these beautiful pink and purple trees. And it just looks so sparkly, and I thought there might be some ABs in there. But looking at this kit, I really don't think there are any ABs. So I'm a bit disappointed because I ordered it thinking it was extra large. I can't tell you what I paid for it, but it's coming up saying for the, what size is this one? Yeah, the 40 by 50 is $8.53. And then it comes in a 30 by 40, which is $6.44. Like, you look at that picture and how beautiful it looks. I don't know, based on these colours, whether that's going to look as vibrant. I really want to get some square ABs to do that one. I think that is definitely going to be like maybe a mid-year project, in July, for Christmas in July. And it will be my winter too, so maybe I'll do it then. Alright, so then the other things I have are a bit novelty really. I got a Christmas cape because I do Parkrun on Christmas Day. I'm actually volunteering. And I don't really have many Christmassy outfits. It's probably going to be a really hot day, but this is just a really thin cape. It has a hood and it has some ribbons and little pom-poms to tie up. 100% polyester. You can see that. A bit of fun. Either myself or my daughter can wear it. That's that one. Let me tell you the price of it. I think it was pretty cheap. And to be honest, I probably could have picked it up from a costume place in my own city. But yeah, you just see things online and think, yeah, I want that. It was $24.11. I don't think I paid that much for it. I really don't. I hope I didn't, because it's not worth that much money. I feel like I need to check that and see what I paid, because it's super thin. Super thin. It does not look like velvet like that picture. No way. And then I got a skirt and a shirt. So I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to wear this for Parkrun. But this was $34.82. I got it in an extra large. I'm guessing I'll fit it. But that is just a bit of Christmas fun. Might actually wear it to my Christmas work party. Could wear it to work one day. Yeah, it actually feels a lot better quality than I thought it was going to be. Yeah, that. It's not too hot, and it came with a shirt, which I probably will not fit. It might be too big because I'm not that large on my top. But it's pretty basic. T-shirt, short sleeves. Alright, so I wanted to just show you quickly my diamond painting. Did I tell you how much that top? I did tell you, didn't I? It was 34, and I'm pretty sure I got that on special. But I'll just pause and I'll grab my diamond painting so I can give you an update. So, my beautiful Prismatic Butterfly by Rose Proffitt is nearly finished. It's been a labour of love, but it's definitely very beautiful. And then the FeeLook Art Kitten Party. I've still got a lot to go, but I am enjoying it. But unfortunately, for the first time, I spilt some drills. So this beautiful orange colour here, I lost half of the packet, half of the tray to the floor. And FeeLook Art have been really great, and they have gotten to the post for me a new set of drills. So thank you FeeLook Art for that, and I look forward to finishing off that colour. Looking gorgeous, meow. Looking gorgeous, little kitty.